Namaskar. Karthik Gopinath, an update. You know now that the Tamil Nadu police does not have a case. So what they are doing now is resorting to delay. So what happened? Now you remember that on the 30th he was produced before a magistrate in Ambattur for remanding in custody. And that judge, after listening for 3 hours, wrote down 5-page judgment or ruling, which was not shared with the lawyers of Karthik Gopinath. Again, this is a remand order remanding him to judicial custody. Now, the police wanted him to be in police custody, but for that, that happened the next day. So what happened once the remand was done, remanded to judicial custody, the lawyers of Karthik Gopinath moved the court in Poonamallee to get bail for Karthik Gopinath. The court there, the judge's name is also Stalin, and this person essentially said that he read the remand order, which again the lawyers didn't get a chance to see, but the bail was applied based on the FIR, and the FIR had a lot of holes. You can see my hangout yesterday or TR Ramesh's hangout to understand why the bail, the FIR itself is pretty much bogus. Now what they did was in that he again denied bail, but he said that the police has asked for a request to take Karthi under police custody, and that application they did not put it in on that day, that is the 31st. So on the 1st, then this thing was brought in front of a sessions judge in Tiruvallur. Look how it is moving. Ambattur, Poonamallee, Tiruvallur is further away. In that court, M.R. Venkatesh argued brilliantly and the judge agreed with him, and therefore Karthik remains in judicial custody. So what happens now? You have to go back and ask for bail again, where I thought it was going to be in the sessions court, but no, you have to go back to the Poonamallee court, back to again Stalin, asking for bail. So this is what happened yesterday. Now, the interesting thing is that the case was supposed to come up in the afternoon. The prosecution was present up until 4 p.m. But when the case was actually taken up, they were nowhere to be found. And then came news that the prosecution was challenging the order of the Sessions Court and not giving police custody in the Madras High Court. And that date is 8th of June. See how one lie is being stretched beyond limits? Just because they want to keep Karthik under custody. They want to show, I don't know who, that they are capable of stifling any Sanatani voices. Now the question is, today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. So again on Monday, we don't know what the judge in Poonamallee court is going to say, whether he is going to say, well, let us wait and see what the judicial custody ruling comes from Madras High Court. Until then, I will wait, or if he is going to listen to this. So a lot of things still in play, but unfortunately, this is a gross miscarriage of justice. There was no case to begin with. You can see the amount of comments that are coming through, and also, please, if you have something to say about the legal matter, do comment, but don't pass personal remarks. I mean, it is not good for anyone. We are trying to be an intellectual channel, trying to give you the correct data. And by just casting aspersions on me, on my caste, or the fact that I'm in the United States, many forget that I have been a member of the United States Press for several years. I also am an overseas citizen of India. I pay taxes in US, I pay taxes in India also. So basically it is my money that is paying the salaries of all these lumpens who go by the name of policemen. So I have every right to ask questions when they digress from their path of duty. As an overseas citizen of India, since I am paying taxes in India, I have every right to question. So do you, those of you who are passing these stupid comments at me, personally, abusing me. It doesn't serve any purpose. It's a common good. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents. So we'll have to wait and see how things pan out on Monday. So until then, wait, and please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell button for notifications. Namaskar.